Hello, my name is Rajana. In this video, I share the knowledge relevant to how to create the group of frequency using the COUNTIFS function and how to construct a histogram in Microsoft Excel. In the example, I have one example of my height in centimeter. In this part, I create a group of frequency equal, select on COUNTIFS, select all data, comma, quote, greater than, equal, 145, quote, comma, select all data again, comma, quote, less than, equal, 154, quote, close parenthesis, and press enter. The result in the group 1 is 7. Start to calculate the frequency number in the group 2. This is the formula that I copy from the group 1. I replace the number 155 and 164 and press enter. The result is 11. In the group 3, the result is 20. In the group 4, the result is 22. Group 5 is 19. In the group 6 is 12. In the group 7, the result is 6. And lastly, the group 8, the result is 3. Now construct the histogram from the frequency table. Select all the frequency table. Click on Insert. And click on the icon histogram. Thanks for watching my video. Actually, this is a small knowledge but very important for your report or thesis. After collecting data, you can use the formula to create the frequency table and histogram to insert your report or thesis. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below.